everyone, welcome to data science community. In today's video we are going to discuss AND operator. Okay, so basically AND operator is used to filter a record based on more than one conditions. Okay, as you can see, we already discussed on our video in which we discussed about where clause. Okay, so in that where clause we can apply only one conditions, but if we want to apply more than one condition we need to use AND operator with our where clause. Okay, if you didn't watch that video, go and check it out, that video first. In that video we already discussed how we can use our where clause, okay, in SQL. And for this video, for this whole series, we are using MySQL Workbench. Okay, so let's open our MySQL Workbench. Okay, so this is our interface, and here I already write some code. Sorry, it is not a code, it is known as query. Okay, so if you run this query, you can just need to click Ctrl plus enter. Okay, yes, let me open my pen. Okay, so first, by using this show database, sorry. Okay, so for this show database, here you can see all the databases which you have in here MySQL Workbench. Okay, just click Ctrl enter, and here it is. Okay, here it will visible. As you can see here, these were the databases which I have. First is MySQL, this is performance schema, sales, and here we have sys, and here we have testdb. Okay, so I want to use this testdb in which I have all my tables. So for that you need to write a query which is use testdb. Okay, just click on this line and just press Ctrl enter. Okay, and in this action output window you can see here all the actions which I used right now is visible here. First we run the query show databases, and second queries are use testdb, so that it will return here. Okay, now just remove these and we run two queries. Now I want to see my tables, so for that here I use for printing the whole table. If you want to see all the columns or content present in your table, so for that you can use, first let's see what tables we have. In our testdb we have our customer and employee table. In that table I want to use customer table, and here I am using select star from my customer table. Okay, so it will print all the columns which we have in our customer table here. Okay, in this window we have our table. Okay, this is our whole table. Okay, now let's see how we can use AND operator here. For example, if I just write select all columns from my table name is customer. Okay, and here I want my columns, only those rows which is having age is less than greater than equal, so less than equals to 24. Okay, but I want one more condition, and the person should belongs to Indore. Okay, so for that here I write AND to apply one more condition, and I just write the country, city equals to Indore. Okay, and just run this code. So you can see here the record or a person which is having their age, this is age column, age less than or equals to 24, and city is Indore, will be returned here. Otherwise no any other value is returned here. Okay, so that's how you can apply multiple values instead of using multiple conditions, okay, to extract data from your database. Okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more such videos.